Hello there Algarve lovers, welcome to our channel, and today we're in the East Algarve in a lovely little fishing village called Fuseta, which is halfway in between Olhão and Tavira. I'll spin the camera around, guys. So right on the Rio Famosa, guys, and then just over there you have Fuseta Island, which I will show you later. But we're going to start off at the new apartments, which are absolutely stunning. In fact, the older apartments there. I'm just going to show you the little contrast. Although it is a traditional fishing village, obviously tourism has caught up with it, but it still remains the charm of the old fishing town. And I'll show you the two halves. I'll show you how the Portuguese live, and I'll show you the holiday makers in the tourist area, which is still a lot of Portuguese come here as well. In the height of the summer, most of the tourists here will be Portuguese. And that little bar in the background there, I've just had a cheeky little beer while I set up my equipment. So you've got the posh apartments there in the background. There's a little bar that I just had a drink in. And then on the left and the right, the typical Portuguese houses. And this is how the traditional fishermen live, barbecue every day from 1 o'clock. Boa tarde. Sardinhas. See, obrigado. He's got the sardines on the go there. So here's the cute little houses. And then we do a right here. We should see some stunning views. It's absolutely roasting today, guys, must be 35 degrees. So you might be able to see the island in the background there. It's got a real nice community feel about this place. We actually lived pretty close, about 5 kilometres from here when we first came over. So this was our nearest go-to beach. The lucky view up there with the rooftop terraces. You must have a cracking view. Crystal clear waters out there. So the island over there, it's actually one end is Fuseta, and if you walk 6 kilometres in that direction, you come to Armona. Got the plane there advertising. By the boats that you can see, still remains a little fishing village. And we start along the main promenade, if you can call it that. There's just quite a few restaurants here. And you won't believe the prices compared to the last videos we've done in other areas. Just a little snack bar this, there's hamburgers, toasties, omelettes, bifanas, tapas. So this is the main street with all the bars and restaurants on. I have eaten in quite a few of these over the years. Yeah, dish of the day, €7. You can't beat that. Piri piri, arroz de marisco, $9.50. Wow, that's unbelievable that. And this is my favourite place, Ruiz. He's well known in the area. It's only early today, but he's normally got queues here. I'll just say hello to him. Rui, you okay?
Hello.
Bon dia.
Bon dia.
I'll just show you this, guys. He's got it all on the go. Whoa. Espedadas.
Yeah.
Whoa, the heat from there. I don't know how he's here 7 days a week cooking in this. Rui, cheers mate, yeah? Yeah, so guys, if you've seen our €40 challenge on Villamora, we didn't quite make it, but if you come and eat along this street here, if you stick to the house wine, you'd struggle to spend €40 for two with 3 courses. Yep, I've also eaten in that one. Once you've been to Ruiz, none of them is, you know, that's like our favourite one. I'll just run by the prices there, guys. Tuna steaks 13, Dorada €12, that's golden bream. Robalo sea bass 12.50. Oh, that's really good prices that. Lulash 14.50. Yep, excellent value for money, guys. Opposite there you've got the five-a-side football pitch. Then in the background there you've got the campsite, which I'll do that in the second part. So up that street there you have the main square, which we'll come to in a bit because I'll do a loop. Yeah, so although the food's really reasonable, the price of properties have just shot up like they have in everywhere in the Algarve. But it is a beautiful place. The GNI getting money out the bank there. So along there's the campsite. We've got the post office. And then a lovely little bar, which you've eaten in many times. The seafood is to die for. Just in front of us, got a little souvenir shop. Maresia. This is the place, guys. Food is excellent there, as it is in most of the restaurants in Fuseta. And then as we turn left at the roundabout here, we'll come to where all the Barbies are. Alright, there used to be a shop here, ABC. Just all your knickknacks. I don't know if it's, well, it's probably just lunchtime now, I must have just missed them, or I don't know if it's even still there. No, it looks like it's still there, but they're closed for lunch. You've got the river, well, pop over and see it. You've got the fisherman roundabout there, and there's some great bars and restaurants down that end, which I'm going to show you in part 2. So here's the river with all the fishing boats. That leads straight to the Rio Formosa, then onto the islands. Now there used to be 2 Barbies next to each other. One of them's closed. I don't know if he's reopened. It's just his day off today because it's the first time I've been here in this year actually. But this is an excellent one. In fact, the one I just shown you before, Rui, he used to own this about 5 years ago. But yeah, he changed location. That's also a really great fish restaurant. So the main restaurant is over the road there, and the waiters sprint, diving between the traffic to serve you. I'm actually eating in this one there, only a small one that. But there's one in the little square here, if it's open. I think it is, yeah, it is. It is, because that's their main headquarters in there. It's where the kitchen is, and all the staff run over to this square where the barbie is. It's looking good, quite a lot of people there. That's when you know it's good. Beautiful location with the river in the background. It's got no prices on there, but you still struggle. You okay? Okay. So it's Marisca Miguel. I can't see where there's prices, but they're all really nice guys there. Look at the view you've got, guys. I'll just show you. You've got a multi-bank here, and this is, I'll just show you 1 minute. It's a municipal market, the fish market. So that's the view, guys, from that restaurant. Absolutely beautiful. Yeah, so this is the municipal fish market here. Closes at 1 o'clock. It's a little after 1 o'clock now. I might just get this on now. There's the musician. I'll just hang around if he sets up quick. I've actually just seen him get out of his car. Let's have a quick look. I'll just put it on pause, guys. There he goes, cracking away. I'm not too sure what that instrument is. He's got his dog on top there. Brilliant. There's the barbie. Not every day you see that, is it, guys? I lovely that. That's where you can sit and eat inside in the same restaurant if you don't like the heat. Alright guys, I'm going to end the video here. I'm going to save the next half for part 2. So if you like this video, hit that like button. If you'd like to see more of our videos, smash that subscribe button. Hope to see you in the next one, guys. Ciao for now.